My name is Ashton Robinson. I am arguing the affirmative for artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. We will start with the status quo. Artificial intelligence evolving to detect anomalous threats. Raymond and Saba for Artificial Intelligence Review, November 13, 2012. The current information security techniques in enterprises have shown an inclination towards AI. Conventional techniques for detection and response mostly requires human efforts to extract characteristics of malicious intent, investigate and analyze abnormal behaviors, and later encode the derived results into the detection algorithm. Instead, AI can provide a direct solution to these requirements with a minimal human input. Artificial intelligence provides a reliable platform to undertake such exhaustive tasks of detection anomalous behavior. Detection for possible advantages as follows. Detection rate and false alarms. The continuous changing network behavior has a significant impact on the performance of anomaly-based detection systems. This may result into high false alarms and low detection rates. Artificial intelligence can be used to design algorithms for adaptive learning to accommodate new patterns. This will reduce false alarms and increase the detection rate. AI provides a better advantage in providing cost-sensitive techniques that will automatically construct detection and response models. It relies on attack taxonomy and site-specific security policy. AI can be used to define detection models that are optimized for user-defined cost metrics. Ability to define the characteristics of misuse attacks and identify instances which have never happened before allows AI to recognize unknown suspicious events, zero-day threats with higher degree of accuracy. Sophistication in writing viruses and obfuscating their codes to produce so-called polymorphic viruses has affected the performance of conventional systems. The challenges involved here have prompted the research using AI techniques to detect new or unknown viruses and malicious codes. Intrusion, data reduction, and classification. Jeremy Frank in the Artificial Intelligence and Intrusion Detection Current and Future Directions Journal, June 9, 1994. Intrusion detection ID is the identification of attempted or ongoing attacks on a computer system or network. Issues in ID research include data collection, data reduction, behavior classification, and reporting and response. Although data reduction consists of analyzing and collection of data in order to identify the most important components of the data, thereby reducing processing time, communications overhead, and storage requirements. Classification is the process of identifying attackers and intruders. Artificial intelligence AI techniques have been used in many IDs to perform these important tasks. Artificial intelligence is concerned with improving algorithms by employing problem-solving techniques used by human beings. Humans excel at tasks such as learning or gaining ability to perform tasks from examples, and training an expert system handles problems using a computer model of expert human reasoning. Identifying critical intelligence questions. Stan A. Taylor in The Role of Intelligence in National Security Journal, 2007. With only slight variations, every national government has an intelligence cycle or process that identifies critical intelligence questions, assigns tasks to various collecting agencies, processes and analyzes information, and delivers it to decision makers. In theory, this process improves and informs the decision-making process and enhances national security. Without detracting from the importance and difficulty of developing contacts inside hostile governments or terrorist groups, analysis is probably the most difficult and important stage in the process. Our plan. Mandate. The United States should implement more artificial intelligence in Cyber Command. This implementation would lower the risk of cyber attacks. AI could be programmed to recognize potential cyber attacks. Ignoring the exponential growth of AI can affect the way cyber attacks could be prevented. Staying updated with perceived threats could keep us one step ahead. Artificial intelligence used to discern the truth. Greg Allen and Daniel Chan in the Artificial Intelligence and National Security Study, July 2017. Advances in AI will affect national security by driving change in three areas: military superiority, information superiority, and economic superiority. For example, military superiority progress in AI will both enable new capabilities and make existing capabilities affordable to a broader range of actors. For example, commercially available AI-enabled technology, such as long-range drone package delivery, may give weak states and non-state actors access to a type of long-range precision strike capability. AI for information superiority, AI will dramatically enhance capabilities for the collection and analysis of data, and also the creation of data. This will mean that there are more sources than ever from which to discern the truth. For economic superiority, we find that advances in AI could result in a new industrial revolution. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary Larry Summers has predicted that advances in AI and related technologies will lead to a dramatic decline in demand for labor, such that the United States may have a third of men between the ages of 25 and 54 not working by the end of this half century. Maximizing the benefits using artificial intelligence. Dewey Russell and Tegmark for AI Magazine Winter of 2015. The adoption of probabilistic representations and statistical learning methods has led to a large degree of integration and cross-fertilization between AI, machine learning, statistics, control theory, neuroscience, and other fields. The establishment of shared theoretical frameworks combined with the availability of data processing power has yielded remarkable success in various components tasks, such as speech recognition, image classification, autonomous vehicles, machine translation, legged locomotion, and question answering systems. As capability in these areas and others cross the threshold from laboratory research to economically valuable technologies, a virtuous cycle takes hold, whereby even small improvements in performance have significant economic value, prompting greater investments in research. Potential benefits are huge. Since everything that civilization has to offer is a product of human intelligence, we cannot predict what might be achieved when this intelligence is magnified by the tools AI may provide. But the eradication of disease and poverty is not unfathomable. The success of industrial applications of AI, from manufacturing to information services, demonstrate a growing impact on the economy. The future of AI is upon us. Subhash Kak in NBC News, February 7, 2018. Robots have transformed industrial manufacturing, and now they are being rolled out for food production and restaurant kitchens. Already, in artificial intelligence, machines can do many tasks where learning and judgment is required, including self-driving cars, insurance assessment, stock trading, accounting, HR, and many tasks in healthcare. So are we approaching a jobless future, or will new jobs replace the ones that are lost? Those algorithms are not going to set the strategy for the company. It'll help you make the decision once I come up with the idea, Pratt says. But any executive that doesn't have a supercomputer in the mix now on their side, they're stuck in a spreadsheet era. Your jobs are going to be in jeopardy in a few years. The beneficial aspects of AI. Michael Horowitz, Paul Shar, Gregory C. Allen, Kara Frederick, Anthony Cho, and Eodardo Saraval to CNAs on July 10, 2018. There are a number of direct applications of AI relevant for national security purposes, both in the United States and elsewhere. There is similarity, a broad range of applications for AI and national security. AI can aid a variety of border security and homeland security applications. AI-driven perception, processing, and analysis will be essential for collecting, sorting, and interpreting data to better inform human decision-making. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has already started to adopt and implement some of these technological advancements. AI can be used to find and secure against malicious cyber attacks. Research done through Microsoft and Pacific Northwest National Laboratory 6 have shown that autonomous AI systems can use various networking methods to determine where it will be the weakest and most vulnerable against cyber attacks, and how it can repair and strengthen against attacks. Militaries from various different countries use AI systems to strengthen their forces. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI systems may be able to predict stress on the force in various components, when equipment requires maintenance, when programs are likely to face cost overrun schedules or delays. Thank you.